I am the whisper in the night. You are the stars shining bright. I am the river flowing free. You are the sky vast as the sea. I am the sun warming the day. You are the moon guiding the way. I am the song, sweet and clear. You are the listener, always near. I am the wind, gentle and mild. You are strong and wild. I am the dreamer, dancing in flight. You are the anchor holding me tight. I am the question seeking to know. You are the answer in which I grow. I am the journey reaching far. You are the destination where we are. Learn English with music. Learn English with music. It's so good.